name is Widya Aulia Octavia. My student ID is 222200089, and now I will present the result of my analysis using transitivity analysis. Let me explain the theory first. What is ideational metafunction? The ideational metafunction is one of the three metafunctions in systemic functional linguistics developed by M.A.K. Halliday. It focuses on how language represents the external world and internal experiences. This metafunction allows speakers and writers to express ideas, describe action, and encode their understanding of the world around them. Within the ideational metafunction, language is used to represent process, participant, and circumstance. Essentially, the ideational metafunction answers the question, how do we represent our reality through language? What is transitivity? Transitivity is a core concept within the ideational metafunction. It analyzes how experiences are structured in a clause by categorizing the process types, participant, and circumstance. Transitivity focuses on how language encodes action, states, and relationship between entities. The connection is that transitivity serves as the primary tool for realizing the ideational metafunction in clauses. As above, the text I analyze is titled My Days in Bali. Let's break into several clauses, and the result will be like this. One, behavioral process. Last year, I, behavior, had the opportunity to attend behavioral process, an international education conference in Bali, circumstance. 2. Existential process. It was my existence, first time visiting existential process, the island, locative circumstance. 3. Mental process. And I, experiencer, was both excited mental process and nervous phenomenon. 4. Existential process. The conference, existence, was held existential process in a large hotel by the beach with participants from various countries, locative circumstance. 5. Material process. On the first day, I, actor, attended material process, several workshops on innovative teaching strategies. Cool. 6. Material process, where I, actor, learned material process, new methods to engage, goal, students, recipient in the classroom. 7. Behavioral process. During the breaks, I, behavior, explored behavioral process, the local area, circumstance, with some fellow educator. 8. Existential process. We, existent, visited existential process, temple, locative circumstance. 9. Behavioral process. We, behavior, test, behavioral process, traditional Balinese food, circumstance. 10. Behavioral process. We, behavior, and watch, behavioral process, a cultural dance performance, circumstance. 11. Existential process. The highlight of the trip, existence, was meeting, existential process, new college, and exchanging ideas, locative circumstance. 12. Behavioral process. I, behavior, gained behavioral process valuable insight not only for my career but also about the importance of education in different parts of the world as a circumstance. 13. Mental process. By the end of the week, I, experiencer, felt inspired, mental process, and energized. Phenomenon. 14. Behavioral process. Ready to apply what I, behavior, had learned behavioral process to my own teaching circumstance. Based on the transitivity analysis, the story demonstrates a dominant use of behavioral process with 6 clauses, followed by existential process with 4 clauses, and material process and mental process, each with 2 clauses. The dominance of behavioral process reflects a focus on semi-mental or physical action that depict the character's behavior, such as emotional expression or habits. This indicates that the story emphasizes how the character responds to the situation emotionally or behaviorally, suggesting that social or psychological dimensions are the main theme. The significant use of existential process highlights the presence or existence of important elements within the story. This process functions to emphasize specific states or presence, which may serve as the background or foundation for the events in the narrative. Meanwhile, the relatively limited use of material process and mental process suggests that physical action and internal reflection are not the primary focus of the story. Nevertheless, their presence is still essential to provide dynamic and depth even if they are less prominent. That's all from me. Please apologize if there are still many mistakes in words or analysis result. Thank you for watching.